SQLite versus Redis. Which one should you be using for data storage or caching? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare SQLite and Redis, two super useful tools a lot of developers use, so you can pick the one that actually fits your project and goals. Let's start with SQLite. It's a lightweight file-based database, perfect if you're building something small like a personal app, mobile app, or a simple website. You don't need a server, it runs fast, and it just lives in one file. Great for local storage without all the complexity of big databases. Now let's talk about Redis. Redis is totally different. It's not a full database, it's an in-memory data store, often used for caching, real-time apps, or speeding up websites. It stores data in RAM instead of disk, so it's lightning fast, but it doesn't replace SQLite. It complements it. So which one is better? If you're storing data long-term and want a real database with zero setup, go with SQLite. But if you're building something super fast and need instant access to data, Redis might be the better choice. Both are awesome, just built for totally different jobs. Let me know in the comments which one you use more. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.